Yo, it's your boy Lelo Jones, and you watching Lelo in the Garden.
I'm in the garden, chilling in the garden, wilding in the garden. Looking for me, I'm in the garden. I'm in the garden, I'm in the garden. Can't find me in the street, but you might find me in the garden.
Yeah, man, we at the OFF again. You dig what I'm saying? With the Weekend Warrior, #1.
Hey!
But balling this thing, you dig what I'm saying?
Ball.
And Beezy out this joint, you dig what I mean? And today, we're working to put up fencing. You dig what I'm saying? Y'all see it right there, you know what I'm saying? Y'all see it right there, you know what I mean? We have about 400 feet of fence that we're gonna go ahead and drop in this little area right here today so we can keep these goats and these pigs and hopefully a mini donkey and these chickens safe, you dig? As you can see out here in the field, you know what I'm saying, it's very lush. This is where we cut down some of those big 20-foot tall milkweed, you dig what I'm saying? And this is one of the low areas of the OFF. Up there, that is our hill, you know what I'm saying? We'll let the water run down and it should wash everything yonder way, back there to that abyss, you dig what I'm saying? Where all the trees and the bushes are, you know what I mean? So we won't have any cross-contamination with our soil where we'll be planting our plants and with our animal scat, you dig what I'm saying? So what we're about to do now, we're gonna basically measure this thing out, you know what I'm saying? Then get the lawnmower and cut out our little path where we're gonna put this fence in at, you dig what I'm saying? And we're gonna make it do what it do, you know what I'm saying? This fence probably just gonna be a little temporary, you dig what I'm saying? We're gonna add on to it and make it bigger as time go along, you dig what I'm saying? Gonna what we would call it, enforce that thing, you know what I mean, to make sure none of these little dogs that are around here can get to our animals, you dig what I'm saying? And that's another reason why we need a mini donkey. If you know where a mini donkey is, holla at your boy.
It's organic, don't panic, yeah, Lelo grew it, so you know it's gonna be jamming all in your mouth. Tables have a party, tomatoes taste like peaches, cause they sweet, gnarly. Oh yeah, you thought I'm playing, you better ask what partner's saying. Every time they come over here, I had them eating off the vine. Yeah man, the okra is growing really healthy and fine. Yeah, they replenish your soul, yeah, they from Africa. If you got the melanated skin, you should mess with me. Yeah, it's the outdoor lifestyle all in the garden. Yeah, I be growing all them different types of herbs too, like turmeric, ginger, I just put them in the ground. Ooh, yeah man, they growing strong. Yeah man, they growing hard. Oh man, I come to your garden and have everything growing.
Alright, y'all see it in this thing, you dig what I'm saying? We done marked it out. We're gonna do our fencing, you know what I'm saying? Got our fence, about to put it down. We got Mike Beezy over there. He getting out our little road together so we can bring in that snapper and we can pull this fence tight, you dig what I'm saying? And make it do what it do, you feel me? This fence is gonna be 100 feet long. Starting out at the top is gonna be 50 feet wide. Down here at the bottom is gonna be 30 feet wide, just because of the terrain and the rocks and things that we can't get around to get past. And it's just not that serious right now. You dig what I'm saying? So we about to make it do what it do. Go ahead and hit down this first line right here, put these poles in there, then roll out that fence, tie it up, and make it tight, you dig?
Out in the garden, growing up plants, you looking for food and follow the ants. You can do anything, there's nothing you can't. I grew a garden, I eat like a champ, hustling food and busting the move, teaching you things that you never knew. Yeah, I be out in the school, making it do what it do, growing this food and feeding to you, then teaching you how it
All right, people.
Got a show on YouTube.
Tell you what I'm doing. So, I don't know if you can see, but knocking those poles in are pretty loud. I don't have earplugs, which now I know I need earplugs. So, real quick, rip up my shirt, get a little bit, you know what I mean? Tear it up like that, put it in your ear. It ain't the best thing in the world, but I won't be deaf like Foxy, like my boy.
Lifestyle, Lelo with it, you already know. I be outdoors and me and nature, that be the motion. Blowing in the breeze on my magic carpet floating. Acquiring all this knowledge, then I go and post it. All my shows freestyle. your garden. We'll be bustin', licking it split. Yep, you can catch me outside. Yeah, man, I'm out there.
Yeah, we getting it in out here, you know what I'm saying? Black Amish just came up in this joint, so we gotta go ahead and get him in there, get him to knocking in these T-posts, you did what I'm saying? We got all these other T-posts done, y'all see it. This will be our first little areas for the animal to graze and do their thing, you did what I'm saying? Over here at the OFF, we making it do what it do, you see what I'm saying? Got it all lined up. Real good, like, you did what I'm saying. Then we're gonna get ready to come in here and stretch out that fence and let it go down, back, forth, and side to side, so we can put these animals off in this joint. You dig? Yeah, y'all see it. We done finally got this wire rolling it out. You dig what I'm saying? Making it about to do what it do. That'll be the first side of this fence that we'll be putting it up. You know what I'm saying? The fitter came out here. That's another couple hands to make it do what it do out here at the Outdoor Fresh Farm today. All right, as you can see, we got one side complete. You know what I'm saying? Got one of these fences up. We're gonna come back through and put some more poles on the inside so we can reinforce that thing, make it a little bit tighter. But right now, this is just the first layer or the first round of installing all the way around, so y'all can see how we putting it down at the Outdoor Fresh Farms. You did? Whoo, man, it done been a long day out here today at the Outdoor Fresh Farm, but we got it together. We made it do what it does. You did what I'm saying? Y'all see it, you know what I mean? We got the area together for the goats and the pigs and all the other animals that's gonna be off in the mix. You did what I'm saying? We put this fence together. That's what we did. You did what I'm saying? Me and these brothers over there. That's two on right there, and that's the field over there. You did what I'm saying? We made it do what it does out here. You see what I'm saying? We are not stopping. We're continuing with the progress. Regardless of what happens, you know what I'm saying? We making it do what it do, Captain. You did what I mean. Now, y'all be easy, you know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, I got that right. I said that right. And I'll catch y'all next week. You dig? Peace.
Oh, dude, we're having a gnarly morning at the OFF, man. You know what I'm saying? We're really making it happen. As you can see, there's no more big pile of dirt, just remnants. You dig what I'm saying? We moved it all the way down there to those raised beds. Now, come on, let me show you what we done. Oh, on the way down to show y'all what's going on, we made a key discovery. Former Mike left his boots. My boots in the car. Y'all, and we have a rule for any item of equipment left behind that's 50 push-ups. So that's 50 push-ups for Mike today. Gotta go to work and put this fence up. You see it? There's some fencing, got about 400 feet. We're putting it over there. That's where the animals will be. You dig? A new cart. That will get fixed. No more cart problems. Mike, the Juggernaut broke the handle, but Lelo fixed it. Look at that. Lelo Engineering. Yeah, this is how we broke that big pile of dirt down to 5 raised beds. You did what I'm saying? Making it do what it do at the Outdoor Fresh Farm on the Saturday. You did? Yeah, we ain't playing with y'all haters today. You did what I'm saying? We putting up the fence all kind of with your way over here. The Outdoor Fresh Farm. We got those 3 gentlemen right there. That boy Maul out here making earplugs out of his tank top today. You know what I'm saying? You had to get his ear right, banging on them T-posts. You know what I'm saying? Kafizi out here and Beezy out here. And look at that there. That's where the animals are going to play. You know what I'm saying? We got the animal enclosure up and ready. You did what I'm saying? Go come back, reinforce that thing a little bit more later on. But right now, you see what we got popping at the Outdoor Fresh Farm. You did what I'm saying? Now, we just going to keep on doing what we do, because it's been a long day. We've been out here since sun up all the way till dawn. You did, getting it on at the Outdoor Fresh Farm. Purge.